Hi,
Twinovation EasyMill
everybody.
sa pwede
Now
mo
I am going to
kasama.
unbox the Twinovation EasyMill. First of all, we need a wire cutter and box cutter. Then cut the cable tie on the packing straps. Pull on the shorter end around the buckle to release the straps. Fully pull the straps without cutting them. Since they can be reused for the shipping boxes. Next, we cut the packing film. Keep the manifest of cargo. Remove the cover. There are a water tank, an accessory box, a packing list and a bottle of grinding liquid. We take them out and well place them aside first. Then we remove the 4 fixers outside the box. We lift the outer packing and sway it if it is too fit. Remove the packing foam above the equipment. Put it on the firm desk. Tear off the wrap film. Take the accessory box out and open it. And take the packing list. We need to check whether the accessories are equipped as the bill outlined. The accessory box contains a power cord connecting the machine and a network cable connecting the machine and the computer. The extension cord of the USB can be used for connecting the USB drive. The 2 tubes, the black one is the water pipe for the water tank, and the transparent one is connected to the pneumatic device. The power cord for the water tank and a return pipe. A filter for pneumatic device. A spare pump. Five sets of the grinding burr. A measuring cup for measuring our grinding liquid. Inside the cup is a dongle. It is a very important accessory. Dongle is a must for our layout setting software. We can match those accessories with the packing list for any missing item. Open the packing of grinding liquid and take it out. Inside the measuring cup, there is an adapter to the air tube and dongle. 10 testing blocks and a dental model. Now we have take all accessories out. Next, we fill the water tank with optimal amount of tap water or purified water. However, we have to check whether the pump is well fixed before adding water. Whether the filter is loose. When adding water into the water tank, the optimal water level lies between the highest water level and the lowest one. Don't fill the water above this white filter box. Try to control it under the white filter box. In this way, it will be filtered better. Next, we will add the grinding fluid into this water tank. Pour about 200 milliliters of grinding liquid into the water tank, at a ratio of 25:1. The milling fluid is prepared. Next, we connect the pipeline and circuit of the machine. We first connect the black water pipe to the corresponding port in black color of the machine. The other end is connected to the black port on the water tank. They are well matched. If you want to remove the water pipe, you just need to press the black loop inside, and then gently pull out the water pipe. When you insert the water pipe, insert it into port to the end. The water tank's power cord has different ends, one end has 4 holes and the other end has 2 holes. Connect the 4 holes end to the water pump power point of the machine. Plug it in and tighten it. Connect the other end to the port of the water tank and tighten it. Both ends of the return pipe are identical. Connect one end to the drainage port of the machine. Connect the other end to the water return port of the water tank. The water pipe has to be vertically connected to the water tank and avoid undulating path. We have to cut the overlength of the water pipe, and the metal head of the water pipe is removable. After the metal head is pulled out, we can cut the excessive water pipe. Cut off the excessive part till it fits the shortest distance between the machine and the water tank. Then pull in the metal head. Plug the water pipe into the return port of the water tank. First fix the oil-water separator, i.e. air filter, in a proper position. The air inlet is on the left and the air outlet is on the right. Connect the external air source to the left air inlet. Then connect an air tube from the right air outlet to the pneumatic source port of the machine. After the pneumatic source is connected, we can adjust the appropriate pressure value. The machine should be set at 0.6 MPa. So, we pull up the upper cover of the air layer. Then rate clockwise until the needle points to the mark of 0.6 MPa. Rotate counterclockwise is to reduce the pressure value. The adjustment is completed. Then press the cover down.